Good morning, madam. My name is N. Chandrakant in Civil Department, second BTech. Today topic is finding bending moment for the fixed beam carries UDL. A fixed beam AB of span 6 meters carries a uniformly distributed load of 20 kilonewtons per meters over its entry length. Introductions to fixed beams. Fixed beams are structural elements that are resistant at both ends. They are designed to support load without any rotated at the supports. Understanding their behavior under loads is circular for structural engineering. Beam specifications. The beam AB has a total span of 6 meters. It is fixed at both ends, provided moment resistance. These configurations affect the internal force and deflections exerted by the beam. Load characteristics. The beams carries a uniformly distributed load of 20 kilonewtons per meters. This load is evenly spread across the entry length of the beam. Uniformly distributed load create specific bending moments and shear force is begin. Support reactions. Fixed be fixed supported develop reactions that contributed the applied loads. The reaction at supports A and B can be calculated using equilibrium equations. This reaction will include vertical force and movement due to the fixed conditions. Question that a simply supported beam, the applied load and movement as shown. A calculated the applied support reactions. B write shear force and bending moment equations along the beam as a function of distance x from the left end of the beam. Point A. C. Constructed the shear force and bending moment diagram for the beam. Also label the values of shear force and bending moment at all key points. Bending moment calculation. The maximum bending moment for a fixed beam under uniform loaded can be calculated. The formula for maximum moment is M is equal to WL greater than 2 bar 12, where W is the load per unit length and L is the span. For this beam, the maximum moment will significantly influence design and safety. Shear force calculations. The shear force at any sections can be determined using equilibrium equations. For a uniformly distributed load, shear force vary linearly along the beam. After the support, the shear force will be at its maximum value. Deflection analysis. The deflections of a fixed beam under a uniformly distributed load can be calculated. Maximum deflections occurs at the center at it a critical design considerations. Execution maximum deflections occurs at the center at it a vertical design considerations. Excessive deflections can lead to structural failure of severability issue. Design considerations. Structural engineering must consider material properties and beam dimensions. The beam must be designed to withstand the maximum bending moment and shear force. Safety factors are applied to ensure reliable performance under expected load. Real world applications. Fixed beams are commonly used in bridges, buildings, and industrial structure. They provide high stability and support in various constructions in CRC. Understanding their behavior helps in optimization, material use, and ensure safety. Conclusion. The analysis of fixed beam under uniform loads in executed for structural integrated properly calculation of moment, shear force and deflection ensure safety. Engineering must any theoretical knowledge to practical designs challenges. Thank you, madam.